Okay, yeah, so the event was really good today. We played Denicho, which is a visually impaired game. And yeah, we were in partnership with Sapphire Coast Tourism, us at Wheels and Waves. And yeah, with regards to Wheels and Waves, our main goal is to transform Amanzimtoti Beach into a tourism destination for the disabled. So yeah, everyone out there from South Africa and around the world, if you're disabled or you know anyone who's disabled and you want to come down on holiday, contact us at Wheels and Waves and we'll facilitate your holiday for free and make sure you have an absolute joy.
Hi everybody, my name is Storm. I'm completely blind. I'm here at the Highland Gathering where the Denicho games have been taking place with Wesley and Reese, Wheels on Waves. It's been an awesome day and yeah, I enjoyed throwing the beanbags and playing lacquer games.
We love